Hello, my name is Andrea Morales. In this video, I'm going to show you the sounds of consonant symbols. Okay. Okay. The first symbols. V. V. The movie was really bad. Z. Z. France is my last destination. F. F. I lost my flag. G. G. The airplane changed my gate. Now is the fourth gate. Hello, Patricia. How are you? Yo, yo. My shoes are yellow color. K, k. Sometimes my cat is weird and other time he is friendly. L, l. I have a little brother and I love him. Mmm, mmm. The lemon is sour and itchy. Mmm, mmm. No, I don't like mushrooms. And, and. I lost my booking in the hotel. Pup, pup. I don't understand the Colombian map. Earth, earth. I had my red hair more than a year ago. The seat of my house is broke and ugly. Shh, shh. My husband crashed the bike. Tick, tick. The Dorado Airport has two terminals. Sh, sh. I checked my itinerary and all this correct. Tick, tick. I think that today rained. Um, um. The name of my mother is Nelva. Beep, beep. I'm very lazy. Why? Why? My window has a beautiful curtain. Zzz, zzz. I was in the zoo the last week. G, G. I was working in an agency. Thank you. Bye bye.